What's up, everybody? It's Gnome Reactions. I'm giving you another reaction video. This one is going to be SSJ9K, The Birds and the Z's parody. It's the Dragon Ball Z parody by SSJ9K. This one is like almost a week old. I just didn't notice it. Like I just didn't notice he uploaded it. But your boy right now is at 1,076 subscribers. We're literally almost at that 1.1K. So everybody right now, if you ain't subscribed to my channel right now, subscribe to my channel. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to comment down below any other reaction requests. And also, stay tuned because your boy is going to be gaming on this channel very soon. And not only that, but I might very well change my name from Net1 Reactions just because if I'm going to be gaming and doing reactions, I need to have my channel's name reflect that or not reflect either of them. So that it'd be easier. Like, I mean, nobody wants to watch a dude whose YouTube name has reactions in it. Nobody wants to watch a dude like that game or anything like that. So if you guys also got any name requests from my channel that I'll switch to, it has to have net in it. It has to have net1 in it. But if you guys have any name requests from my channel, then I'll accept those too. But right now we're going to go on and get into this video. We're going to start this reaction video in 1 second. 3, 2, 1, go. Let me remove this. Man, that's just like dads for real. They don't be listening.
Come on, Dad. Dad! God!
That's how I got your mother, Gohan.
I don't care!
Boy, who the hell are you yelling at? Huh?
I'm sorry, I
Don't get it twisted, Gohan! I'll throw a goddamn spirit bomb at you!
Okay, Dad, but you're singing. It makes me want to blast myself in the face.
Well, I sang to your mother and she let me smash the first night.
You smashed Mom?
Hit it 3 times and I wifed her.
Why would you hit her? You monster!
Wait, that's not what I meant.
What are you saying?
Your dad, I mean Piccolo, never had the talk with you.
The talk?
You know, the birds and the Z's.
I hate birds.
Oh, bird hating ass. Well, Gohan, sometimes when a man and a woman like each other, they do stuff.
What kind of stuff do they do?
Each other? No! Okay,
Yo, that's probably gonna be how I am as a
boys have
dad.
Power poles, and girls have hyperbolic time chambers.
Okay.
When a boy sees a pretty girl, his power pole may extend.
Sounds like some weird sorcery to me.
Then if the girl likes the boy, she may allow him to place his power pole inside her hyperbolic time chamber. Then, after 9 months,
God dang.
something emerges.
What emerges?
A capsule.
A capsule corp capsule?
Yep, and guess what's inside the capsule?
A beef fajita taco?
No! A baby, Gohan!
Well, how am I supposed to know? Shit!
It's useless.
God dang, I got the hiccups.
Yeah?
Mr. Piccolo did tell me about the birds and the Z's.
Really?
Yeah. And from this day forward, I vow to put my power pole in as many time chambers as possible.
This dude, Goku's so happy.
Maybe I'll be just like you. I'll have a bunch of kids. And neglect them.
What was that?
God dang, these dang hiccups, man. God dang. Alright, everybody, that was my reactions to SSJ9K, The Birds and the Z's parody. I'm going to go on and get all these videos out right now. Like, I'm not playing about this dang reaction stuff. I know I've been gone for a while, but you know what? Your boy does have a full-time job and everything. So the schedule of when I put out my videos, that will fluctuate a little bit. I'm about to punch myself in the face because these dang hiccups. That schedule will fluctuate a little bit, but just keep rocking with me. Just stay with me. I will still be doing reaction videos every week and everything like that, and gaming videos on occasion. Like I said, just stick with me. I got a lot of things planned. I'm trying to get out the dang house and everything. But I'm going to see you guys next time on my next reaction video. It'll be another SSJ9K video that came out about a day, 2, maybe 3 days ago. And I'm going to see you guys next time, and peace.